Ladies and gentlemen, in today's session, I will be reviewing the trade which I took on USD CAD. If at any point you find this information useful, please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let's do this. So first of all, I can already see the structure of the market. I have my Asia session right here in the gray box. Okay, so every day the market around the London session tries to grab liquidity before it makes its move during the London session. So knowing that, I am already prepared for the first move of the day to be a fake out. The first move of the day, generally speaking, is going to be the fake move. Okay, it's going to be the move which is going to take out stop losses and grab liquidity from the market. That being said, second of all, I can already see that there's a unmitigated demand zone right below the Asia session, right here. So that right there is a major confluence in my analysis. I can see that there is a fresh unmitigated demand zone which I'm going to pay very close attention to. If the first move of the day makes its move towards this zone right here, then there's a high chance that that's actually going to be a stop out. It's going to be a stop hunt. Okay, just like yesterday, Asia session opened, Asia session, Asia box, and during the London session, what do we see? What do we observe? That during the London session, there was a stop hunt in the wrong direction. All the liquidity which was resting above the Asia session was taken, and then the market went the opposite way. Okay, November as a principle, that's exactly what helped me to capitalize on today's trade. But this demand zone is just one confluence. Okay, now in order to gain more confluences, I need to drop down a time frame. So I'll drop down to 30M. Okay, on 30M, I can see that, let's get my path tool. I can see that the market yesterday was creating lower lows and higher lows, just like so. Okay, let me make this line thicker so that you can all see, just like that. Okay, if at any point the charts are not making sense to you, all you need to do is go to this section and click line. Okay, these lines are showing you where the price has been without the confusion of colors changing, because sometimes the colors can actually affect your mind. But the line chart actually helps you to understand where did the price close. So right there, let's bring back the path tool. Okay, so now at this point, when the market made this move, this is when there was a change of character right there. This move changed the character. So I'm going to mark it out right there. Okay. Change of character. So we have that marked out. Let's remove all this. So that right there is a second confluence in my analysis. First was the unmitigated 1H zone. We drop down to 30M and we can still see that this zone is fresh and it hasn't been touched. When a zone hasn't been touched and hasn't been reached by the price, it means that it is potent. Okay, and there's a high possibility that the price is going to reverse from that section. second confluence, we have a change of character. This change of character shows that there has been a change in the market direction. Hence why it's called change of character. Right here we'll have a break of structure. I'm just gonna write break. Okay. A break of structure is it means that the price is still continuing in the same direction. Okay. And the change of character means that the trend has actually changed. Then we had Asia session, which consolidated. It went sideways. This is where the market makers manipulate the market, and they collect orders. Okay. In this section, when there's an Asia session, if you back test your charts, you will see that time and time again, Asia session gets stop hunted and is used as liquidity. So the high and low of the Asia gets used as liquidity all the time. Now, around 6 a.m., I was on the chart at 6 a.m. All I'm waiting for is for the sell side liquidity to be taken. The sell side liquidity in this scenario is the Asia low. Right here is the sell side liquidity, is the Asia low session, is the low of the Asia session right there. I've summarized my Asia session from 10 p.m. to about 6 a.m. Okay, I've summarized both the Tokyo and the Sydney session into one box, which is this gray box right here. So all I need, my third confluence is going to be, actually before that, what I usually do is that I draw a line right in the middle of the demand box, because if the price just touches it and gives me an entry, I don't know if the price has been mitigated properly. I need the price to dive in deep, at least to the 50% mark of the demand zone, and from this level give me a solid engulfing candlestick pattern. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, so now I'm going to drop down to 15M. Okay, so we had some sort of an engulfing right here. It hasn't reached our midpoint, so this is not my entry signal. This is not my entry signal, and as you can see, the price dropped again. Okay, we had another engulfing. This is not the signal. I need the price to drop down more into this 50% level, and from the 50% level of that demand zone, I need an engulfing. So patience really pays in the forex market. Okay, finally we had a close below the 50% level. Okay, finally we had a proper engulfing from that section. Now I'm ready to place my stop loss right there below the low of the candlestick. My first take profit is going to be the high of Asia. First take profit, high of Asia. Second take profit is going to be the high of the previous day. And as you can see, the price actually reached take profit. So around 9 o'clock is when I placed my entry, and by 2 o'clock is when the target was reached. So I was on a chart from around 6 a.m. The trade took place at 9 a.m. and by 2 p.m. we reached take profit. Patience really pays in the forex market game. And this is it. These are all the steps which I took in order to take this trade. That was my thought process behind everything. I hope you found that clear. If you have any questions, please comment in the comment section below. I hope that you found this video useful. I'm going to be posting much more videos in the near future. Please like, subscribe to this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.